Good morning, everyone. It's 9:49 in the morning. 9:49 in the morning. Thursday, the 2nd of October, 2025. I was supposed to go on the road to have a walk or jog, but look at the weather. It's rainy day. It's a rainy season now here. So things like this, it's raining cats and dogs. Things like this, you think of, let us say, you have your, let us say, flashback of melodramas because it's cuddling season. It's difficult to leave your comfort zone, your house, because it's better to stay inside than to go outside. But my feet couldn't help to but to go out to have a jog or walk. But look, sometimes it's raining like this. You would wish to go back home in Philippines, for me, for example. But it's rainy here, but in the Philippines, the weather is worse. The government is even worse. DPWH corruption. Fuck them all. Fuck them all. Corruption everywhere. It's us in the grassroots level, as they say, are affected. Fuck them all. You corrupt officials,